He's done. It is done total. En el sprocket. It's total. I don't know what happened here, but I'm in the scene. Well, let's see how which tow company arrives here. I think there's 4. What's up? Oh yeah, I don't wanna hear su song porque I'm gonna go because it's too long. So look, everybody stay safe at your house. When you're in a hurry, this is what happens on the sun.
You guys can say whatever you want.
You're just wasting. That's what you do, officer? That's what you do all day? Just waste? Remember, you work for me, dude. Remember that. If that's your personal phone, I'm gonna make a public request, dude. Can't be using that. Okay? What's your name?
You done crying?
Are you a crybaby? Are you done crying? You?
Hey, right now you're interrupting my investigation.
Don't
Right
use your
now,
personal phone, okay?
Right now you're
Don't use your personal phone to take pictures.
I could do whatever you want.
This is mine. I'm a
So
you
what?
work for me.
I could do the same thing.
You work for me. Remember that.
Oh yeah?
Okay?
You work for me.
Where do you get your check? From the public. Where do you get your check, dude?
Look, get lost, man.
Okay?
Nobody wants to hear from you.
I'm gonna report you, dude.
Go
You
ahead.
think it's a game,
Go
huh?
ahead. Go cry.
I'm not crying.
Go
You're the
cry.
one crying, dude.
Go cry. Are you crying?
I'm not crying. I'm
Yes,
a
you are.
man.
What are you
I'm not
doing?
like you, okay?
You're crying like a girl.
I'm gonna make a report against you.
Go ahead. Do your report.
So this tyrant tried to use his personal phone to take a picture. Everybody. So we're gonna make a report on against this guy. He's done.
You're the one in violation.
Huh?
That's the one in violation right there.
I think so, yeah.
He's from the side.
Have a good one, bro. Okay. So everybody, go check out my channel, Silent Boy, First Amendment. Thank you, everybody, for your support. Peace.